So the Sarak 2 trailer is out on YouTube, and I guess it's already the most disliked film trailer all over YouTube with about 5.6 million dislikes, and by the time you're watching this video it will cross about 6 million dislikes. But will this end nepotism? Even if it does, at what cost? Let's have a look. So personally, if you ask me, I think this is the most wrong way to end something as big as nepotism. Why? First of all, let us understand what is nepotism. So basically, there's a person who works hard and grinds himself in an industry for about 10 or 20 years or maybe more than that. And then what he does is he brings in his son, daughter or any other relative into the industry with the help of his contacts. Now let's put ourselves into their position. Imagine your mother or father is working in a big company or a state service like railway or oil or refinery or anything like that, and then you will ask him to recommend your name for the next opening in the industry. Why? Because he's having a lot of contacts in that industry or whatever it is, especially because in today's date unemployment is a huge issue and it's not easy to get a good job now. I don't know about you especially, but I know that 75% of the people will go for the easier way out. See, human beings are basically creatures who automatically chooses or goes for the easier way out, which is exactly why you like to travel by a flight rather than a train. A similar thing is going on in the Bollywood in the name of nepotism. They're just trying the easy way out. Now, are these people wrong? Yes, maybe. Is this a serious crime? Maybe not. Is this a bit of an offense? Maybe yes. But again, we are also fans of Hrithik Roshan and our very own chocolate boy Ranveer Kapoor, who are also products of nepotism. There are also examples in the industry like Abhishek Bachchan, who failed in the industry even after nepotism and having a godfather like Amitabh Bachchan. In the heat of the moment, we completely changed the whole issue. Our issue is not nepotism. Our issue is bad movies. Bollywood is failing to win even a single Oscar, not because of nepotism but because of bad movies. But there are also lots of movies of independent actors that sucks, and there were also movies like Super 30 which came out as a product of nepotism but were a masterpiece. Now, how to end this? How to basically bring a change? The solution is very simple. When you're watching a movie, close your eyes in terms of the cast. It should not matter to you whether the lead role is given to Varun Dhawan or Nawazuddin Siddiqui. Instead, go for the storyline. Watch the acting. Go for the VFX. Look for things that actually matter. And I guess this is the only way to get good movies out from Bollywood rather than just disliking the trailer on YouTube or not watching one or two movies of an actor whose father or mother is working in the industry since a lot of years. Another fun fact, yesterday I was calling my mother and before she picked up there was a caller tune of the ongoing coronavirus, and it was something like हमारा जंग रोग के साथ है, रोगियों के साथ नहीं, कृपया रोगियों से प्यार से पेश आए. Similarly, in Bollywood, our fight is against bad movies, not nepotism. Keep it simple. What's good, love it. What's bad, ignore it. Judge the movie, not the actor. Hey guys, that's all for today. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. And unfortunately, I don't have an AC in my room, which is why my condition is like this. Goodbye.